So I got this Tektronix TDS 2014. Problem it has, the screen backlight hasn't worked, so you barely can see anything, and it's really, you can't work really with it. So what I did was I took it apart, and I thought maybe the CCFL converter was broken or something, but voltage was there, and then I discovered that the solder joint on the tube itself was somehow hadn't contact. So there is a tube inside here, 90 degrees like that, and I resoldered both sides to the cables, and then it worked. So there's just bad solder joints in there, and that was all it took to got it back to working. So I looked online, found a bunch of videos about replacing something and whatever. So I thought I'll make this quick video so you maybe can fix it like that, because it costs about nothing and is done in like 10 minutes. So I heard about these problems before, but yes, so maybe it helps someone. Thanks.